Sometimes knowing our past lives can help us bring more love and light into ourselves. That's why my next workshop is Past Life Group Regression. Past lives are often the source of confusing feelings of deja vu, healthy and unhealthy relationships, special talents, gifts and knowledge, fears and phobias, health problems, and personal challenges. We often spend years in therapy or misery blaming our childhood for our difficulties when the source is something we brought into this life from another lifetime. Knowing those past influences can create faster and deeper change. With my process, you will discover what you need to know, keep the positive, and let go of what's hurting you. I was trained by Dr. Brian Weiss, and I use a gentle process in which you always feel safe and in control. Whether you just want to learn more about your soul's journey through different lifetimes or want to heal something in your current life, the information you're ready to know will emerge. In this workshop, you will experience your past lives with my expert guidance, learn new techniques that I have created to help you discover past lives on your own, heal your past, present, and future, connect deeply with your spirit and soul, understand the reasons for your current life circumstances, release the negative influences from your past lives, gain new self-awareness, empowerment, and peace. We'll meet on November 17th. And looking ahead, my next workshop will be the Om Awakening, balancing the divine feminine and divine masculine. If you don't live in Dallas, contact me to present these workshops or another one in your area, like overcoming abuse or creativity as self-expression. You can learn more about the importance of past lives by listening to my on-demand shows with Dr. Bernie Siegel, Dr. Dave DeSano, and Dina Miriam. Go to my website, drpaulajoyce.com, to listen to those shows and to register for my past life regression workshop.